Hello, Toto Cliff. Praise God for His faithfulness in your life. Happy birthday. Thank you for another year and more birthdays to come for you. Stay healthy, happy with the family, and always enjoy His favors and His blessings in your life. Toto Cliff, I'm so happy for what you have become. I'm always rejoicing of the abundant blessings and favors that come into your life. Imagine ko pa nga mga struggles mo before. Obligya ka pa sa tilapia, saging, and tuna to survive. Kaya balaan ko damo ka sa mga ginasagod pagid nga mga ginikanan nga mga masakiton. Sayang hindi gid nila naabtan ang imo success today, but I know happy gid sila to sa imo nga life, no? Tani kun ara pa si papa mo kay si mama mo, enjoy gid nila ang imo nga blessings also. Kaya I know you have a very big heart for the family. And to thank you for this breakthrough through Alicia's special batchoy. Permi namon pabugal diri sa amon mga upod. When they come to Iloilo, na-recommend namon nga mag-agi sa Alicia's special batchoy. At times kapadala pa ako sa GCash para ma-enjoy gid nila ang imo nga specialty nga batchoy. Overwhelming gid ang blessings ni Lord sa inyo to, especially sa imo. Kaya I know your heart. I know kung paano ka magsakripisyo sa family, sa mga utod, sa mga hinablos. Thank you, and the Lord is also giving you back all these blessings and favors. I remind ko lang sa imo, stay grounded and be humble, because the Lord really gracious to the people who are humble and resist the proud. So stay grounded and always trust the Lord for everything in your highs and lows in life. Always keep trusting Him, for everything comes from Him. Thank you for all the support. Also Jen and Poy, kay ara ka mo kay Toto Cliff. I am so happy to see you complete family. Jen, you are the wind beneath the wings of Toto Cliff. Behind the success of a man, of Toto Cliff, is a woman, and it's you, Jen. Thank you, and enjoy this celebration tonight, because it is your birthday and you deserve the best of everything. We love you, Toto Cliff, from Magan family. Also, we'll be celebrating tonight sa birthday mo. Kay birthday man ni Paring Andy, na papa ni Chappy, ari man siya di subong sa amon. So, we will be celebrating together with you. Kumusta sa tanan? I love you all. Bye! Happy birthday!